Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and it has been a very long time since I've done like a little home update, and I wanted to share 5 big changes that we have made to our home since moving in. There's been more, but these are like my top 5 favorites, I guess you could say. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item I want to talk about is my brand new chandelier in my studio. So it gives you like this mid-century modern feel, kind of like modern meets Hollywood. So I love the design of the chandelier. I love the, let me go ahead and turn on the lights actually. Here we go. There we go. And it's like this, the bulbs that we got are like, illuminates like soft yellow. So it's not too yellow, it's not too white, to where it's like totally harsh on the eyes, but it's beautiful. It fits perfectly in this room. So this is a big purchase number 1. Update number 2. We wallpapered our laundry room, and I'm so in love with it because it is this beautiful peonies. It's kind of girly, but I kept the colors neutral, so it's just white and silver, but it transformed our laundry room completely. And I love the design we picked because if you look at our tile, it's more geometric, and we knew that we needed a wallpaper that doesn't clash with it, but instead just complements with it, and I feel like this did a really good job. So our whole room is kind of like black and white and silver. I just love the vibe in here. It's a little moody, it's a little girly, I'm all for it. Number 3, we have a brand new closet. So here we go. We actually work with Container Store to completely redesign our closet. Ignore the carpet for now. There's a bunch of holes in there from our previous built-ins. But we love the design. It like completely like changed the room. I love all the drawer space. We didn't have any drawers in our last closet. And the lights of this closet just makes a world of a difference, like shining down on my shoes and my bags and things like that. So this is actually the Avera, that's what it's called. So Container Store has different like levels of custom closets. You've got the Alpha, the Avera, and then the Laren, we've got the Avera. It has enclosed drawers. I like the minimalist look. It is soft close. Ajit's side is over here. This is his jam. But yeah, we both just have our own sides. Everything fits. He's got a nice little pant rack over here. Really cool, you guys. 10 out of 10 recommend the Avera at the Container Store. This was like a really awkward space in our home when we first got it. We weren't sure what we were doing under the stairs. Like, this is very strange, right? But we decided that we're gonna make it into Kai's Cafe. Kai is our son's name. And eventually we're gonna have a neon sign that says Kai's Cafe here, but we've got a really cute little table with these mini chairs that he can sit and watch his little iPad on, or just eat some food here. We also have a little kitchen playset that he loves, and it's so realistic. Like, you can literally have ice cubes fall out of here. The doors open, and we have a bunch of things in here like pizza, cups, lettuce, condiments, all the sauces, pots and pans. There's an oven. We love this thing. So if you have kids around his age, I feel like it's a really good time to get kitchens that I feel like they can play with it for, I don't know, up to 5 years old or something. His car is there, you know, next to the kitchen is a garage.
Kai's Cafe has parking too.
It does have parking. So yeah, this is Kai's Cafe. I feel like it'll come together more with the sign. Okay. One more thing. This is number 5. I'm going to share with you guys. We're going to walk you to the dining room, but this is my favorite piece of the house. So let's go. Okay, I just realized that I'm sharing another chandelier with you guys, but we love chandeliers. I have a new one coming in our bedroom today too, but I wanted to share our dining room chandelier. This actually reminds us of New York City. So you can kind of see it gives you like New York City skyline vibes. And I love it so much. You can actually custom like the colors. You can do like chrome and like different combinations, but we chose the brass and the gold. And I love the combination, especially in our dining room. It matches really well with our table and chairs and our rug. So I love the whole feel of this room. This room is still not 100% done. We're gonna create like a gallery wall on the wall over here, but I feel like this piece really just ties the room together really, really well. So that is all, you guys. Top 5 changes to our home this past year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm sure we can come up with so many. I mean, we've done more changes, okay? It's not just these 5. I promise. We've done more, but this is like my top 5 favorite. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and we will chat soon. Bye.